How to write about metaphors. The word metaphor comes from two Greek words, meta, meaning over, across, and pheron, meaning to carry. So, metaphor means to carry over. And, indeed, a metaphor takes place when two things are compared and the qualities of one thing are carried over to the other. Here are some examples of metaphors and how they might be analyzed. You'll notice that each analysis begins with a description of the two things being compared, followed by an explanation of the effect of the comparison. Your ears are freshly baked cinnamon buns. From the poem Portrait of a Stranger on a Train in a Dream by Michael E. Castiles. In this metaphor, the shape of a person's ears is compared to the rolled dough of a cinnamon bun. The effect is pleasant. Who doesn't like the idea of being compared to a tasty baked good? And it's humorous too, like a child playing with their food. Keep in mind that a metaphor is like a simile, but bolder, making a surreal statement. Imagine that our line was, instead, your ears are like freshly baked cinnamon buns. The comparison is still there, but gentle and realistic, less like a dream and more like a real-life observation. The robot lifts the stone gently, careful not to disturb its slumber. From The Robot and the Stone by Michael Castiles. In this metaphor, the motionless and heavy nature of a stone is compared to sleep. The effect is familiar. A person might say that they're ready to drop for being so tired, or that they fell asleep and slept like a log. Dropping, falling, heaviness, these are all things we associate with sleep, but we associate them with stones too. You fold the universe and slip it into an envelope. From Goodbye by Michael Castiles. In this metaphor, the process of mailing a letter is compared to, well, I'm not sure exactly. This metaphor is more mysterious than the other two. The universe is folded up and mailed like a letter, but where's the letter being sent? And what does it all mean? Perhaps this metaphor describes the effect of receiving an unexpected and powerful letter, one bearing great or tragic news. In an instant, it seems like one's universe has turned upside down. Life has changed, and one has the sensation of being in a completely different place. If you enjoyed reading these metaphors and you'd like to read more, be sure to check out the work of Canadian poet Michael Castiles.